Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about median as a measure of central tendency. Median is a measure of central tendency. It is a positional average. It is the middlemost item of the series or distribution. It divides the total distribution into two parts. One part is the value of one part is lower than the median value and the value of other part is more than or higher than the median value. So it is a positional average or middlemost item of the distribution. Now, like arithmetic mean or other measures, median can also be calculated in individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Today we will discuss how to calculate the value of median in individual series. Right. In individual series, to calculate the value of median, at first we have to arrange the data, arrange the items in ascending order or descending order. Number 2, we have to find out or calculate the value of n. What is n? N means the number of items in the distribution. Okay. Then we have to calculate n plus 1 by 2. We have to calculate n plus 1 by 2. And after arranging the items in ascending order, we have to see which item is n plus 1 by 2th value. That value or that item is the median in this case or in individual series. Okay. So we will take some examples to know how to calculate median in case of individual series by taking some examples. Okay, let us take some examples. So, individual series means individual items are given or individual values are given. Frequencies are not given here. Okay, when individual observations in individual series, individual items are given, the total number of items may be odd or may be even. Okay, so we have to know how to calculate the median value when there is odd number of observation and when there is even number of observation. So at first we have to calculate a median value of median in case of odd number of observations. Okay. So let us take an example. Here is one example. Example 1. Calculate the median value 20, 30, 10, 50, 40, 70, 60, 90, 80, 100 and 110. Given it is given. So what we will do? Now solution, how to find out the median value. Solution. Number 1. Arranging, write down, arranging the given values, the given items in ascending order. First we have to arrange them in ascending order. Okay. So write down in ascending order these values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, so there are 11 items which is odd number. So here at first we have to arrange this in ascending order. After arranging this in ascending order, what is n? What is n? N is equal to number of items, how much? What is n? 11. Okay, now n plus 1 by 2. After calculating the value of n, we have to take the n plus 1 by 2th value as median. What is n plus 1 by 2? That is 11 plus 1 by 2. That is 12 by 2. That is 6th item. So look at this data. After arranging it in ascending order, what is the 6th item? Which one is the 6th item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th item. Okay. So here 6th item is 60. So median value is median value median value is 60, right? So median is 60. So this is how, in case of odd number, we have to calculate the value of median. Another example we will take. Note it down first. So example 2, another example is given. Calculate the median value 50, 150, 100, 250, 200, 300, 350, 450, 400. They are not in ascending order. So our first duty is to write them in ascending order. To arrange them in ascending order. Solution. Right? Arranging the items in ascending order. Write on them 50, arrange them in ascending order. $350 this is. Okay. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is n? Value of n? N is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Right? N is equal to 9. Right? What is n plus 1 by 2? N plus 1 by 2? 9 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2. That is equal to 5. It means the fifth item in the series is the median value. The fifth item in the series is the median value. Is the median value. Right? So what is the fifth item in this series? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth item. Mark it. 250. Here, fifth item is what is 250? So median is equal to 250. Median value is equal to 250. This is how we have to calculate median value in case of individual series where the number of observations is odd. There is odd number of observations. Okay. Now next we will discuss how to find or calculate median value in case of even number of observations. Right? Note it down first. Another example, example 3. Calculate the median value of the following series: 8, 6, 10, 12, 14, 20, 18, 16, 24, 22. Okay. Now, what is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is odd number or even number? 10 is even number. So, if even number of observations are there, how to calculate median value? We can see here. How to calculate median value when even number of observations are given. So, solution. Right, arranging the data, write down in ascending order. Arrange this in ascending order. Lowest value at first, then the next value likewise. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, okay, 22, 24, right? 22, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, here, number of observations or n is equal to what? 10. Now, what is the median value? Median value is the n plus 1 by 2th value. So, we have to find out what is n. What is the n plus 1 by 2th value? So, n plus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 10 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 11 by 2. That is equal to 5.5. So, 5.5 means, okay, it is What to find? The average value of fifth item and sixth item. Right? We have to take the fifth item and sixth item. 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, you see, your fifth item is this, and this is sixth item. Right? So 5.5 means they are the middlemost. We have to find out the middlemost items. They are the fifth item and the sixth item here. Write down here. Fifth item, fifth and sixth items are the middlemost items. Are the middlemost items. To find out 5.5 or this value, we have to take the average value of fifth item and sixth item. Now 5.5 item means item is the average value of fifth and sixth item. Fifth and sixth item. Now, what is fifth item? Come here. What is fifth item? Fifth item is, what is fifth item? 14. And sixth item is 16. So what is the average value? 14 plus 16 divided by 2. That is 30 by 2. That is equal to 15. So median is equal to 15. So this is how to find out median, the value of median in this case where even number of observations are given. What we have to do? First we have to arrange them in ascending order. Then we have to find out the value of n. Then we have to find out the value of n plus 1 by 2. And you see, like this the value will come like this, 5.5 or 6.5 or something else. So here it is 5.5 means the two most middle items are fifth item and sixth item. Fifth and sixth items are the middlemost item. We have to find out the 5.5 value, fifth value, we have to take the average value of the fifth item and sixth item, and the average value of fifth and sixth item is 14 plus 16 by 2, that is 30 by 2, that is 15, and the median is equal to 15. Note it down. We will take another example. Here another example is given, example 4, find out median. 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000. You see here, the items are given here in ascending order. First mark it. So we have nothing to make it in ascending order, and it is not necessary to arrange this in ascending order. It is already given. Solution. Write down. Solution. Follow. Given data are again write 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500 and 3000. Here n is equal to what is the value of n? How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6. N plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2. That is equal to 3.5. Write down. 3.5 means that here the middlemost items are 3.5 means third and fourth items. Third and fourth items. What is third? Which one is third item? Which one is fourth item? Are 1500 and 2000. Right? Now the average value of 1500 and 2000 is, what is 1500 plus 2000 by 2, that is 3500 by 2, that is 1750. 1750. right? So median is, so median value is 1750. This is the answer. Median is 1750. What is median? Median is 1750. So this is how we have to calculate the value of median in individual series. In individual series, the items may be odd or may be even. Number of items may be odd or may be even. How to calculate the median value in case of odd number of observations and in case of even number of observations, we have already discussed. So this is how the value of median in individual observation can be calculated. Next, in our next part, we will go to the calculation of median in discrete series. So thank you all.